Ndep. What's up everybody? My name is Tawanda Chimangariso. I'm doing another video again today. I want to show you my homemade juice which I make all the time. I use pineapple and I use dry dates and ginger. So I don't drink the juice like what they call 100% juice or other juices because I don't like the acids from those juices. So I make my own. Sometimes when I get time I use, when I don't have time I use a blender. When I get time I use a juicer. We have a juicer, so that's how I make my juice. I just cut this pineapple into, take off the skin and cut it into pieces, and then I throw it in my blender. I put a small nick of ginger because I just like the taste and the flavor. To flavor it up, that's how that's why I put it in my juice. And I always put that for adding sweet. Sometimes might not be sweet enough when the pineapple is not fully ripe. It's not ripe fully, it won't be sweeter, so I add these dates for sweetening. Another thing I put is water, so I add water. Make sure when you use your water, use the alkaline water. I use Crystal Geyser. I don't know what water you use, guys. Comment below the water you use when the water you drink or you cook with. Me, I use Crystal Geyser. I think it's the best for me. And then I blend it. So that's all. I blend it. There's too much foam on top. I just use my knife to take it out a little bit to make less foam. So it's still more foam, but when you see it a little bit for like 5 minutes, the foam will be gone. So yeah, that's how I make my juice every day when I want to drink juice. When I miss juice, that's how I drink juice, because I don't drink juice they make, some people make. I only make my own juice. Sometimes I use apples, but most of the time I use pineapple and ginger and dates and water. That's my juice. Every time I make juice, that's my juice. Comment below if you have another type of juice you make by yourself at home and share with us. I want to know how you make your juice. This is my juice. Sometimes I don't use this blender. I use the juicer. I have a juicer, but juicer takes time. You need time. If I don't have time, I use my blender. Just blend it up and drink it. That's all. Comment below. Bye bye. Tozona. Peace.